for a year and a half. I decided to move here because the value for the amount of space that you get in the apartment is really awesome, and definitely of a higher value than other apartments that I checked out when I was here for an entire week. I was a transient and moved here from Florida, so I definitely was checking out as many apartment complexes as possible. But I also moved here because of the proximity to the University of Maryland bus stop and the proximity to the university. It's just a 15-minute drive or a 10-minute walk to the bus stop. I really like how Suburban Hill fosters community. So everyone in the hallways are really nice. There's also events like a pool party and I don't know what they call it, but it's like a holiday festival at the end of the year, and I really enjoy going to those types of events. The other part of building community is the positivity that happens when you walk into the office and you're asking for help, or you're there to let them know that something's wrong. They're just so happy to be able to help you, and they help you right away.
To learn more, visit greatlandlord.com or suburbanhillapts.com.